Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English class for 9th graders with me, Bu Indika and Bu Kusnaini. Okay, in this change we will learn procedure text, and the procedure text that we will teach you is how to use sway. Okay, students. You have the text how to use sway. In this video, I will guide you how to use sway. Okay, first sign in to office.com with your own account. Second, click icon sway. Sway. Or when you want to log into sway.com, you can do another sign in is click www.sway.com. Then you can sign in into the sway.com. It will be like this. Or you can log in from the office.com, it's okay. If you're log into sway.com, it's okay. Okay, students. Then the third is click new blank sway. Okay. The next step is give title for your sway. Before you continue the content, make sure you have prepared the things you need. For example, like theme or outline of your idea. In this change, I will write down how to use DVD player. I have my topic, I have my theme, and I have outline for my idea. For example, how to use DVD player. So I will discuss about this. Okay. Next, we write down how to use DVD player. Okay. Then the fifth step of how to use sway is add images to your sway to make it nicer. You can give image from the suggested search by writing down the search sources in this icon, yeah. So background, you have to click background, and then I want to have DVD player for my image. It will be like this. I will choose the DVD player that I want. For example, is this. Make sure it has a thick checklist, and then click add. Then close. So the picture is here. Okay. The sixth step of how to use sway is add content to your sway based on the theme of topic that you have chosen before. So I will choose text, and I will copy from the text that I have been prepared like this. Or I will have each number in each slide. Yeah. I will change number 2. this. I will change number 3. So just put the content that you have prepared before, yeah. Okay, just number 4. Okay, so it will be like this. To make it nicer, you can have a picture. Click insert, remote, for example, to make your sway nicer. I choose this. Okay. Sorry, just heading, yeah. Then the image like this. Yeah. And then heading, I check open. For example, I write down open. Let's search for the open. Now, still remote. Still like this. Okay, and drag to the heading. Okay. Still the more. But if you want to have another picture, it's okay, yeah, students. It's all up to you. Click heading and drag. Okay. After you finish adding the content, preview your sway by clicking the Design tab. To fully experience your sway, click the play button on the top menu bar. Okay, click play. It will be like this, yeah, for your sway. See, it's moving. This is the sway. Okay. If you want the design of your sway, it looks nicer, click styles, yeah. Styles and click slides. I repeat, choose slides. Slides mean each slide, jadi masing-masing slide yang ditunjukkan nanti. And then you can customize your sway by clicking this. Like this. See, it's different. See? If you choose this, it will be like this. Yeah, if you choose this, it will be like this. Choose. Okay. So it depends on you choosing which one which you prefer, yeah. Okay, I probably like use this. So click close and next styles if you want to choose this. So different, right? Different styles of your sway. Yeah. See? So, but it's all up to you choosing the slides, yeah? It's slides. Oh, 1, 2, 4. Oops, means that I have to go back to the storyline. This one, yeah. 1, 2, 4. Should be 3, yeah. Okay, I will add again, which is heading, and I will take the fourth one, copy and paste. This is the fourth. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 is different. Oh, it should be 3. Sorry, this is my fault. Okay, this is 3. Okay, let's have not having space like this. Okay. Okay, this is the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Let's check to the play button. Okay, this DVD player. Okay. 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 Escape. Click escape, yeah. Okay, so you have the sway. You have your own sway. Okay, it's done. So if you want your friend looking at your sway, just click share. The last step of how to use sway. Click share. Make sure you choose those in your organization with the link and invite people to view, not edit. Yeah, but if you want to have your friend to edit, just click edit. Okay. Sharing the sway, you can click this icon, copy link, and then you can share the link to your friends by WhatsApp, WhatsApp web. It's okay. So it's done. If you have questions, you can ask me. Thank you. I hope it is useful for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.